is a post-cable camera inspection. We're sitting in the city main right now. I'm going to start pulling back and showing you where the problem areas are. So the water should stop trickling here pretty soon. Right now we're in concrete line. You can see right there on the sides of that water how eroded the bottom is. Up on a turn here pretty soon. There's one of the root balls we cut out. Another one. Here's the turn. Turn, there was roots coming in too. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can see how high the water is right there. So the remainder of the way back, the pipe is bellied, basically. It's gone flat, so you're going to be underwater for most of this way back. You'll see we pop out every once in a while, so you can see it's open. There you go, there's a good shot. And this is with no water running. There's just this water is sitting in here at all times. So this section of pipe all the way straight out to the street where it turns is just flat. It's a little better right here. There's a root ball we cut out. And then in between these sections of bellied line, you have these root balls which are stopping all the waste as well. So it slows down because the water's sitting there. And then it hits those roots and it goes nowhere. Right here seems not nearly as bad. Right here, I believe it starts. Alright, now from here, good. Alright, we got some rocks here. Then we're popping up out of the clean out here. What's that on the right? Clean out. Go ahead and end it right there.